Did you ever wish you had a personal writing assistant by your side? Someone to help you brainstorm ideas, put them into words? Well, if that sounds like you, then you're in for a treat today. In this video, we are diving deep into a tool called Gravity Write. It could be just what you need to streamline your writing process. Whether you are a content creator, student, business owner, or anyone in between, Gravity Write has something to offer to everyone. Let's break down its key features and see how it can supercharge your writing process. The first thing you'll notice when you open Gravity Write is its clean and intuitive interface. Everything is laid out to maximize focus, so you spend less time hunting for features and more time writing. At the top, you'll find your project categories. On the side, there's a collapsible menu for quick access to your drafts, templates, and customization options. It's perfect for multitasking without feeling overwhelmed. What I personally love is the distraction-free mode. One click and all you see is your text. Perfect for getting in the zone. Gravity Write isn't just a tool for writing. It's like having an editor and a collaborator built right in. One standout feature is Smart Suggestions. It provides real-time recommendations to improve grammar, tone, and readability. For example, if your sentence is too wordy, Gravity Write will offer a concise alternative. If your tone doesn't match the intended audience, say you're too formal for a casual blog, it will suggest adjustments. And it doesn't stop there. It helps with things like adding creativity to bland text. Here I asked for an engaging hook for an email campaign, and voila, 3 catchy options appeared instantly. It's like having a second brain to bounce ideas. Next up, let's talk about templates. We all know starting from scratch can be super daunting, right? Gravity Write offers a library of pre-built templates tailored for different needs. Here's a quick look. Blog post outlines, email campaigns, social media captions, product descriptions, resumes, and cover letters. Say you're drafting a social media post for a product launch. Simply select the social media ad template, fill in a few details, and watch Gravity Write create polished post in seconds. This is a massive time saver for content creators and marketers. Ever wanted to reach a global audience? Gravity Write has got you covered with its multilingual capabilities. You can write in English and instantly translate it into over 30 languages, including French, Spanish, Mandarin, you name it. And these tools aren't just basic translators. The tool adapts idioms and expressions of the cultural context of the language. This makes Gravity Write invaluable for international businesses, communication, or even learning new languages. Here's where Gravity Write takes it up a notch. It doubles as a research assistant. Let's say you're writing an article on sustainable fashion. Instead of opening 10 browser tabs, simply ask Gravity Write for key insights or trends. It scans credible sources and provides concise summary, which you can incorporate into your work. And yes, it cites sources. So no more worrying about plagiarism or inaccurate data. Lastly, GravityWrite adapts to you. As you use the tool, it learns your writing style, your tone, vocabulary, and even quirks. You can also create custom templates or tweak the AI's tone settings to match your voice perfectly, whether you prefer casual, professional, or somewhere in between. So there you have it, a complete walkthrough of GravityWrite's features. From simplifying content creation to helping you connect with global audiences, this tool is a game changer. If you're ready to give it a try, check out the link in the description for a free trial. And let me know in the comments which feature you are the most excited to try out. Don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe for more productivity tips. See you next time.